This is Francis Ivan Hudan. I'm the product manager for Lenovo Philippines. This is an exciting day for us to showcase our reliability of products and the robustness of our products to the customers who are very demanding in their profession using these new products of Lenovo. A lot of upgrades have been incorporated into the new models, especially SSD technology have becoming more of a commodity into these new products. Battery life is increased, especially when Kaby Lake came into the picture. We are able to extend battery life by at least 1 hour of extension batteries. And this is something that they enjoy for customers who are very highly mobile, who don't want to be tied down into their desks. The ThinkPad series additional features we put in are the Trusted Platform module is a standard. However, right now with the dawn of Windows 10 Pro, we are able to incorporate Windows Hello. Facial recognition is part of the security features of the ThinkPad Classics. At the same time, you can have dual authentication, fingerprint security, and facial recognition as 2-pass authentication for security on the ThinkPad Classics. We're showcasing the new laptops into our ThinkPad stores, which are available already into the retail stores in North EDSA. At the same time, if we want to enjoy this, these notebooks are already available in the market. And as we go along, we will have new set of products that we will be having also on the desktop PCs by next quarter. Thank you.